5a says, what is the frequency of this pendulum? So I just found out that period equals 2.46 seconds. I want to know what frequency is, and that's in hertz. And I know that frequency equals 1 over period, or period equals 1 over frequency. Once again, because I'm looking for frequency, I think I'm going to use this equation. Frequency equals 1 over 2.46, so frequency equals 0.40681 hertz. And let's say 0.41 hertz.